See how light this is? See how easy these can be folded up? But the question is, are they actually easy to use, and how exactly do they work? Oh, if you're a camper and you like to be outside a lot and you like to do picnics and all sorts of things where you need to have some water on hand but get so tired of like having to lug it around because it's so heavy and difficult to carry, well, good news. These were actually sent to me by the company so I could do a video and break it all down for you so that you can make an informed purchase decision. So first off, they come in 2 sizes. You have your smaller one here, which is 8 liters, so about 2 gallons. This one is a larger one, and this one is 12 liters, which is just over just under 3 1/4 gallons. So to kind of give you a perspective, a gallon, think of a gallon of milk, 3 of those would fit into here. So let's go over how they actually work. Yes, they are still going to be very heavy once you fill them up. 3 gallons of water or liquid is still 3 gallons of liquid. It's heavy. But it does have a carrying thing here. And say you're at a picnic or you're camping and you're done with it and you didn't use it all up, just pour it out and you're not left, pour out the excess and you're not left with still a big, heavy, clunky container, jug. You're left with this and store it away. So it's a huge, huge space saver when you're traveling to and from. So if you had 2 of them, for instance, you could use one for cooking water and you could use one that's just regular tap water. It's for washing your hands at the campsite, keeping things clean, soap and water. One thing that is really important is when you're done using it and you're like ready to like really store it away, you really want to make sure that you let it dry out. It's gonna take a little while, but let it air dry till it is completely dry. Now, if you're also wondering, it comes with the spout, so it has a spout cover. You just simply turn it to open it up and the water will come right out. So I think these are great. They are super convenient, and I hope that you found this video helpful.